Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. Okay, back on the Range Rover roof this morning. I thought I'd got all the spot welds out along this channel, but I just shone some light on it and literally found that I haven't actually. In fact, I can see one just there. So I'm going to pop on the inside. I can see them better from the inside. Shine some light there and put some marks just where I need to drill. Easier to see, I think. Right, let's crack on. Okay guys, I think we've got most of them on this side. I think we've drilled most of them now. It is a slow process, guys. I know some of you says, yeah, have you done the next bit yet? Yeah, the reality is, we're not a commercial garage. This is, it's just me, a private person with other things to do, and it's just a project car. So it is going to take some time. And I have to say, if you are thinking about doing one of these roof panels, these roof skins, think twice if you're not kitted up. This is a massive job. It's not easy, trust me. I just noticed here, there's a spot weld here, but actually I think that's part of this double skin for the frame. When you're looking upstairs, it doesn't go through. In fact, you can see the gap there. So yeah, we haven't missed that one. Right, I think we've got most of them. The next part, I think, in fact, let's whip on top and I'll show you. Okay, the next part is going to be this windscreen. So underneath this rubber seal, there are a series of spot welds where the panel is spot welded on and sealed. So we're going to have to get that rubber off, that seal, and start to go across there, I think. I think that's the next job. Okay, so I cut this with a Stanley knife and then got a chisel underneath it and push the seal off from underneath. That's probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Or you can use a cheese wire. Guys, I've got to show you this. We have lift off. We have the roof coming off. So yeah, we just started that one corner. So that's really good. And I just prise that up and it is starting to crack off along this channel, so that's really good. Let's carry on. Out of breath, guys. Getting too old for this game. Okay, so all that front edge is peeled back. We can't really do that with the new skin. We have to be a bit more careful with that. We are going to have to reform this a bit of structure here. That's not a problem. That's a 5-minute job. But yeah, that's the front peeled back. There does seem to be a bit of resistance here in the middle in lifting it. So we're just going to have a look at that and see what is holding that, if anything. Whew. Now, there was nothing altered in the middle, guys. We are going to have to reform that bit of metal there, which I've punctured, pulling back the skin. That's no problem at all, and we'll weld that back in place. But yeah, look at that. It's a lift off. Yeah. So I think we may have missed a spot weld down there somewhere. There does seem to be some resistance back there. So I think I'm going to call it a day for today. I'm out of breath. I'll give the car a vacuum on the inside. I just don't like leaving it with, bits of swarf metal everywhere that are going to rust up. I'd rather keep it clean. It's a nice tidy car inside. Right, okay, we're going to park it there, and we'll come back to this tomorrow, guys. Okay. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and hit that thumbs up notification. It all helps us to get some exposure. Okay, cheers guys, see you soon.